Looking for a curved monitor that delivers immersive visuals, smooth performance, and a sleek design without breaking the bank? The Dell S3222HN is a 31.5-inch Full HD curved monitor that's great for gaming, work, and entertainment. With a 75Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync, and a beautiful 1800R curved display, this monitor promises an immersive viewing experience. But is it worth the price? Let's find out. Check out the link in the description for the best price. The Dell S3222HN features a 31.5-inch Full HD screen with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. The 1800R curvature enhances immersion, making movies, games, and multitasking more engaging and comfortable. The VA panel offers deep blacks, rich contrast, and vibrant colors, making it ideal for casual gaming, office work, and streaming content. For gamers, this monitor comes with a 75Hz refresh rate and a 4 milliseconds response time, which helps reduce motion blur and makes gameplay feel smoother. Plus, with AMD FreeSync support, it eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, giving you a fluid gaming experience without breaking the bank. In terms of connectivity, the Dell S3222HN includes dual HDMI ports, allowing you to switch between multiple devices easily. Whether you're connecting a PC, laptop, gaming console, or streaming device, it's versatile and easy to set up. The monitor also features tilt adjustability, so you can find the perfect viewing angle for your workspace. The overall design is sleek and modern, with a matte silver finish that looks premium and fits well in any setup. The thin bezels make it great for multi-monitor setups, while the curved display helps reduce eye strain for longer work or gaming sessions. Check out the link in the description for the best price.